Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious zucchini pancakes. First, you'll need to prepare your zucchini. Grate about 2 medium-sized zucchinis, then place them in a clean kitchen towel or paper towels and squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This step is crucial for crispy pancakes. Next, transfer the dry zucchini to a bowl and mix in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once your ingredients are in the bowl, mix everything thoroughly until it forms a cohesive batter. Don't overmix, but ensure all components are evenly distributed. Now, it's time to cook. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, like olive or vegetable oil, in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, drop spoonfuls of the zucchini batter into the pan, flattening them slightly with the back of your spoon to form small pancakes. Cook each zucchini pancake for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. You want a nice crispy exterior and a tender interior. To ensure they are fully cooked, the internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, transfer the pancakes to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil, keeping them perfectly crisp and delicious for serving. Your delicious zucchini pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a dollop of sour cream, Greek yogurt, or even a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. A sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of paprika makes a lovely garnish. These pancakes are fantastic as a side dish, appetizer, or even a light meal. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.